see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Zach! Zach!
Yep.
Sorry, Jack. No, Polly. Don't smile. Alright.
Why
No,
not
no.
have to smile?
He's not smiling when you're dead.
Really?
Alright, go in the bedroom. You look bloody different, right?
Why so close?
Just so I can get your head.
Because you're like this.
More decluttering clothes ng kids. Bigay namin to sa kapitbahay namin kasi may dalawa siyang boys.
Sa boys.
You look guapo. You want me to cut it now? Then it's done. Then I've only got...
사랑이라고 말하고 싶지만 의도치 않았던 속에 빠져버린 나.
Yeah, pulling my heart astonishing. Your love got me looking for honesty, breaking me down like novelty. I know it's gonna be okay. Always knew someday I would be with you. Someday I would fall for you again. I could see you in the way I should.
Good morning guys. Ano pa lang, magte-10. Dito na tayo sa Mount. Today is Tuesday. Nagpa-appointment pala ako for SNS. Ang tagal ko na hindi nagpapa-SNS. Last time na nagpagawa ko ng nails, bago ako umuwi ng Pinas, December. Ngayon yung next. So meron kasi akong voucher na binigay ni Jan. Gift niya to sa akin. Nakalimutan ko lang. Ano yata to? Anniversary namin. So binigyan niya ako ng worth $200 for nails. So ngayon gamitin natin to kasi aalis tayo. So alright, umuulan. Dito ako nakapark sa Drake's. See you later guys. Yan, tagal natin na hindi nakapunta dito sa Paneos.
Tenho esse mar todo, todo pra olhar. Tenho as estrelas infinitas pra contar. Tenho o sol brilhando e os patos nadam em mar. Meus passos vão mostrando o prazer de observar
Bahay na pala ako, guys. And, kanina, di ba, na-mention ko sa inyo, magpapa-SNS tayo. Hindi SNS yung pinagawa ko kasi gusto kong mayroon fringe tip. So, ang sinuggest niya is acrylic. Ayan. So, yan yung ating nails. And, duman ako sa Asian store. Bumili ako ng piatos. Kinain ko on kasi nagutom na ako. 1.35. Bumili rin tayo yung suka. And itong kaya. Gumawa ako nito. Pero hindi ko pa kasi na tikman yung original ko anong lasa niya. But gumawa ko ng sarili ko. Tingnan ko kung nakapag-vlog akong konti. Ano lang naman siya, coconut cream, tapos sugar or palm sugar, tapos eggs. So ginawa ko siya.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your vibe. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. Finding courage in a bottle, and now everything's a blur. She's been looking for the good love, and I'm standing in front of her. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. Under
Eggs.
the lights. So we're moving this colorful night,
Butter.
Yeah, mother.
and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights.
But gusto kong matry yung totoo din. Yung kung ano ba talagang totoong lasa niya. Kung hawig ba or pareho dun sa ginawa ko.
Can I see your nails, Mother?
Ah, yes. Here's my nails. You like it?
What you get?
And nagpa-almond cut tayo.
Oh, French. They like French
French
tips.
tips. Yeah. You like
Can I
it?
see your foot? Did you get your
Yeah.
foot done?
Nagpa-ano ako. And sa toast din. Yeah.
So cute.
So cute. And ang dinner namin later is gagawa ko ng pansit. So, bumili ako ng chicken, hot barbecue chicken from Drake's kasi malapit lang naman yung kung saan ako nagpa-nails. So, doon ako bumili. And bumili rin tayong bread rolls. Then, eto pang pansit. Beans, onion, isa lang kinuhang ko. Kasi hindi natin kailangan
Cabbage?
ng marami sa ngayon. And half cabbage.
Cabbage.
Then, dishwashing detergent. Ito, mabango to. Yung malit lang kinuha ko.
Is that for them?
Yeah. And, eto, violet crumble nuggets. Mga itong tatlo. Kit Kat.
Oh,
And snow peas. So, yan yung nabili ko, guys. So, ayusin ko lang to. Then, asikasuin ko yung dinner. And gusto rin nilang kumain ng chicken. So,
yeah. I just want chicken by itself. Like just eat.
okay. Tikman ko nga to. Yung ginawa ko, para lang siyang, ang lasa niya para sa akin is yung katulad sa atin, yung coconut jam na may pili. Sa amin kasi may pili nuts. So, yung para siyang coconut jam na may pili. Yung aking ginawa. Eto, hindi ko alam kung pareho lang ang lasa. Kasi coconut lang naman to. But, ayan yung consistency niya. Very smooth.
Why do you put it on your laptop? The tomato
Ayan
sauce.
siya. Parang talaga siyang coconut jam.
What is that?
Yeah. Mas matamis to kasi sa akin hindi ko masyadong tinamisan. Tapos yung texture niya, halos pareho lang naman. Mas masarap pa rin yung sa amin, yung coconut jam na may pili. Sarap din yun gawing dessert. Itong sobrang tamis.
Like it, Mum?
It's alright. Kasi ano to eh, sikat na sikat tong breakfast sa Singapore ba yun? Tsaka Malaysia. Ito, made in Malaysia to eh. Ito yung kaya. Yonka kaya. Yung paggawa ko, wala lang akong pandan. Pero hindi ko naman nalalasan yung pandan.
Have a little bit more, please. Chicken.
What? Alright. Himayin ko na rin itong chicken kasi ito yung
Thank you.
pansahog ko.
Thank you.
Okay lang siya.
What's it for?
You wanna try? It's
Yeah.
sweet. Try. Try ko magkain kang chicken. You will like it. Right?
I don't taste any. I only taste
Yeah.
coconut.
Yeah, it's coconut cream.
What can you put it on?
Bread. Put it like a spread for your bread. Himay ko na yung chicken and nahiwa ko na yung mga gagamitin na gulay para sa ating pansit. So, ito yung ating broth para sa ating pansit. And na-pre-cook ko na yung mga gulay. Ayan yung carrots. Ayan yung iba na dun sa kabila. And pakulang ko lang tong buto ng chicken kasi sayang naman masarap ang flavor niya. Tapos bago ko ilagay yung pansit, tatanggalin natin yan kasi ayaw natin yan madurog. Hinahanap nila yung isang nail na nahulog.
Where'd my nail go? I lost my nail!
Upo muna ako dito habang pinapakulang ko yung buto ng manok doon. And mamaya, lalabas ako para pitasin ko na yung aking kalamansi doon guys kasi sobrang hinog niya na. And nanonood ako sa Showtime, hininaan ko lang. And eto, nagpaalam sa daddy niya na, pero hindi pa yung nakadikit guys.
She needs to glue them.
No, I don't need to. May consent ni daddy niya.
And guys, my mum and my dad surprised us to go on a holiday that I did not expect. But we're leaving on Thursday night and flying on Friday.
Where
And
we
we're
going?
going to Cairns, and it's
Where's
really hot
Cairns?
there. It's at the very top of Queensland.
Di ba naalala nyo, before sinabi ko sa inyo, mayroon kaming inorganize na holiday nung April pa to guys. So, yeah. And then, ang plano namin, sasabihin sa kanila, sa one day before ng alis namin. Kaso, hindi pwede kasi kailangan nila ng visa. So, kailangan namin litratuhan yung kanilang ulo. Hindi ko in-English kasi hindi namin guys sinabi yung totoo talaga kung saan kami pupunta. So anyway, so sinabi na lang namin sa amin nung the other day, insert ko yung video. So yun ang sinabi namin na kailangan nila ng picture. Why we need the picture for?
For the B&B.
For the Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Airbnb yung sinabi namin. Sabi kasi nito, bakit kailangan namin picturean? Kasi nasa wall na white, doon ba? Sa wall. Tapos napaka close. Sabi lang namin, kailangan yan sa Airbnb kasi kailangan nila malaman kung sino ang mga titira just in case may masira. So, yun yung palusot namin. Pero, ginamit namin yung picture nila nung last week lang namin was it last week we told you? Or this week?
It was on Friday.
Friday. So, today is Monday. So, couple days lang namin sinabi sa kanila. Kasi nga, kailangan nila
Wait.
yung
Friday or no, Thursday. 'cause
Thursday. Last week lang. Ngayon, Tuesday today. So, sinabi na lang namin ganun. Pero hindi pa nila alam talaga kung saan kami pupunta. So, yeah. Ang plano talaga namin, pag nag-drive na kami papuntang airport, sasabihin sa kanila. But now, we need, kailangan nila yung V.
And guys, we
Sa-
only packed like shorts and tops because it's gonna be really hot there.
Yan lang sinabi namin sa kanila na kailangan nilang, well, ako, nakapack na ako yung sarili ko, pag nasa school sila, nagpapack na ako ng sarili kong damit para hindi nga nila makita kasi nga yung plano hindi namin sasabihin sa kanila until mag-drive kami papuntang airport. But, yun nga, nung sinabi namin sa kanila, nagpack na rin sila. So, ready na yung luggage namin. Hindi pa. We're gonna finalize our luggage, right?
Yes.
But ako, nakapack na. Tapos, bukas, how many days before we go?
We leave on Thursday, so that's just 2 more days.
2 more nights.
Yeah, 2 more nights.
2 more nights, alis na kami, guys.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Tapos, nagpustahan kami ni Jan. Hindi nagpustahan. Well, nag-guess lang kami kung sino ang makakahula kung saan talaga kami pupunta. Ang sabi ni Jan, si TJ, sabi ko, pareho nila malalaman yan kasi iba yung local na lipad tsaka dun sa ibang bansa. Hindi ko muna ini-English kasi ito nandito. Magaling pa naman ito mag-pick.
And
So, yun guys.
yeah.
And, inuubos ko lang din naman yung kung anong mga gulay-gulay namin dito na kailangan. Kanina, bumili lang akong para sa pansit. Para magpansit nga ngayon. But, yung mga patatas bukas, yun naman lulutuin natin.
We're leaving like at 10.
Yeah, night kami.
Because like we're gonna, because we're going straight to the airport. And then we're just gonna like do all the stuff that we need to do to the gate. And then we'll just wait there. And I downloaded some movies.
Yeah, naka-download na siya ng movies.
I downloaded Fuller House and Young Sheldon. Because it's only like a 4 hour or 3 hours.
Right.
And I'm really excited. I got really excited when I heard that.
Yeah, because...
And I couldn't stop thinking of it when they told
Yeah,
us.
kasi hindi talaga, April pa yun guys, na organize. Pero yung yung V, pwede naman yung gawin late. Pero hindi namin yun naisip na yun nga kailangan pala nila ng picture para doon sa V. Kaya, yun, pinicture namin sila nung Thursday.
Are these the right size?
And then, tingnan mo, ayan, hindi po to everyday ginagawa ni Holly. Pag, nung sa Pinas lang siya press on nails. Was it press on nails when we went to the Philippines?
No.
Yes.
No.
What was that?
I went to the where you always get your nails done, remember? And they started doing it.
I forgot what.
Acrylic.
Okay. So, but this one is press on nails.
Mel got me them.
Yeah.
like-
Give you an anti-mail sa
Yeah.
kanyang birthday pa. That was last year.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
They're from
niya.
Kmart, guys. They're actually really good. Like, look.
Huwag niyo siyang i-bash, guys. Hindi naman talaga niya to
But, like,
ginagawa.
When I just like don't really use them, like if I'm like only going out to dinner, I don't always do it, but I put the nails on, I don't glue. But like when we're going on holidays like this, I sometimes put nails on and my mom glues them.
Well, I don't want to, but
I want to.
nagpapaalam siya sa daddy niya kasi si daddy
loves-
always say what?
Scratch my back.
No, daddy always say, no, daddy,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
does.
kasi ako, hindi, no ako. Mommy always say,
No. Go away and put them away.
I don't say go away.
No,
I
you
said,
just
I
put them away.
just put them
No,
away.
thank you.
No, you don't need
No,
it.
you don't need it.
Alright.
And my dad's always like, if you want.
That's right. Okay.
And like when I wanted to have a sleepover with Sophie, he was like,
Yeah,
if you want to.
nag-slip over siya kila Sophie kasi ano na rin si Jan, nagpa-kulay ng buhok, yung
Haircut.
boys, nagpagupit na din. But si Zachary, he went to the barber shop. Ayaw niya na Gusto niya sa barbershop, gusto niya lalaki na maggupit sa kanya. Ay, binata na
I'll
talaga.
go
ang
get the
Saki
nail
Balls.
glue for you, Mother.
No, not yet, Mama, because I have things to do.
But are these the right size?
So, yan, ginagawa ko ay nagka-catch up dito sa bahay. Well, catch up. No, lilinis ba? Para pagdating namin, malinis yung bahay. Diba? Nagkuskus na ako ng windows. Well, tinulungan ako ng boys kasi school holiday din nila ngayon. Alright guys, tingnan ko na yung
Okay,
ating...
guys, thank you for
Wow, I'm not going.
thank you for watching the surprise that we showed you guys. yesterday.
So, tanggalin ko na yung buto kasi kumukulo na to. Huwag yung sibuyas. Huwag kayong sumama.
It's just inside.
Yeah, naglabas ako ng mga... No, not inside. Outside ko because I'm gonna load another dirty clothes. Kasi gusto ko wala na...
Where are you hanging?
No, hang that one outside. There.
Where's the other one's going?
What do you mean, where's the other one?
You know you're making another load.
That one, that's dry. So, nilabang ko yung mga rags. Nalinis ko na yung toilet and bathroom. So, yeah.
So that plus the other one. Yeah.
Na-adjust ko lang yung lasa. Nasaan na yung aking pepper? Lagay ko yung pansit. Tapos yung mga saw, yun na. May dinner na kami. And mag-edit din ako. Para may vlogs tayo. Meron akong na-edit na 3. Uploading na lang sila. Ang hina ng internet namin, guys. Like kahapon pa, kagabi pa naka-upload yung aking vlog na in-upload kahapon. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa. Hindi pa siya fully upload. Nasa 38% pa lang. So, ang hina. Pero mayroon akong mga na-edit na 3. Tapos mag-edit ulit ako para wala akong iisipin. Tapos, para ma-enjoy natin ang holiday natin. Mag-edit pa naman ako pag kahit na, well, depende. But, meron tayong mga vlogs. Naka-ready. Just in case ma-busy. So, at least, hindi masyadong malate yung vlogs ko. Hindi ako nagbo-vlog everyday, guys. So, pag nagbo-vlog ako, kung ano yung ganap, siguro mga 1 minute, 2 minutes sa isang araw, yun na yun. Tapos, or 3 minutes, tapos the next day. Tapos, maybe, ang next niyan, mga ilang araw pa bago. Kasi nga, hindi na ako nagtatambak kasi nga may ini-edit pa ako. So, hindi na tayo nagtatambak. So, ngayong July, ang vlog ko pa lang yata, 2. Yun lang. 2, pangatlo ata 2. Yes, pangatlo. Ano?
White off, Mom.
So, itong pancit ang ilalagay ko yung egg noodles. So, siguro 4. Kasi ako naman na madami. Hinamihan ko yung sabaw kasi ma-absorb din ito ng pancit. And ginugupit ko kasi mahaba yung noodles. Tingnan niyo. guys. Ayan na yung pansit natin. Daming sahog.
Is it finished
Yep.
already?
Yep.
It's early night. It's only 3:40.
I know, ang aga pa. 4 o'clock. Luto na yung dinner. So, ayan na yung pansit, di ba? Nawala na yung sabaw niya. Sinipsip na ng noodles. So, partneran to ng rice. Si Jang gusto niyong may eggs. So, later, luto ko sila ng eggs. Labas pala ako kasi mag-harvest tayo ng kalamansi. Tingnan niyo ang kalamansi natin. Ay. Ayan. Diba? Ang lalaki. Oh, vlog pa more. Tingnan niyo, ang laki. Isa. Ay, no. Nana yung dahon. Ay, ito laki din. Siguro 3 muna. Ayan. 3 malalaki. Meron pang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos may green na 2. Tapos may flower. Itong gusto kong huminog, yung kumquat. Parang, ang dami niyang bunga, pero hindi pa sila ready. Ay, nakaka-happy. Nakakapag-harvest na tayo ng kalamansi. Sana talaga tumagal yung kalamansi, no? Ayan ba, bumunga lang siya ng bumunga. Itong mga itim-itim, ano ba yan, guys? Ba't may itim-itim? Dahil siguro dahil ulan araw. I'm not sure. But, yan. Happy. Ilipat ko na dito, guys. Yung ating pansit. And si Sak, may training po siya. Diyan, trinayin na to. Curry chicken? Ay, awa. Pansit ulit.
The most favorite part of the program, ito na po, the fans need. I can feel their energy, their names, it's just popping in my life. So, ayan o.
Huh? Here.
Harnessing all the energy.
Okay. Hugasan ko na yung aking pinaglutuan para malinis na dito. Love you, see ya. Nakabalik na pala si Jan tsaka si Sak from training. So, lutuin ko na yung sunny side up eggs. Last time kasi, niluto rin ako ng pansit. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng sunny side up eggs sa top. And nagusto ni Jan. Kaya ngayon, ayan. Paluto ulit siya ng eggs. Tapos may rice, pansit, and then sunny side up eggs. Ayan na yung rice ni Jan. What did you say, ha?
Ronnie plays.
To?
Ronnie.
Niloloko ko lang siya. Ayan natin dito yung pansit. Gusto niya Rani. Rani na. Rani eggs. O, diba?
Guess what I want?
What?
No yolk.
No. Yeah.
What else you want banana bread?
I'll have a shot on it.
Ha?
I'll have a shot.
No yolk.
Si Jan ang kakain ng yolk ni Saki. So, ganyan siya. Tapos gusto niya crispy yung edge ng yolk, ng egg. Yung tostado ba? Ay! Ayusin ko ulit yung pancit. Then yung crispy. Tapos ganyan. So, So, ayan yung itsura ng dinner ni Johnny Boy.
Right
The rice is never.
Oh, that's different.
No, different. That was before like that too.
guys.
How about you? Hindi ko pa yan dinidikit.
One
Idikit
no
ko
egg.
yan. What do you mean? Oh, no egg. Okay. Si daddy lang.
And
Okay.
just put it.
Oh, you haven't got Zach's egg yet.
Ah, you want the yolk from Saki.
The government says trees required for the golf course itself have already been removed, and for the proposed MotoGP circuit, initial estimates are around 45 significant
Oh,
trees.
look like, yeah.
Is still being
Kinuha ni Jan. Binigay ko na kay Jan yung yolk ni Saki. Ayan. Gusto niya lang white egg. Si Kuya ayaw niyang may egg. No worries. Okay. Oh, good na. Ayan, kumakain na sila. Ayan na sila. Si Kuya, ang dami. Si Jan gusto niya yung may egg. What? What shirts? Guys, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Kasi kakain lang naman kami. Maghugas ako after lang kumain. Thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Good night, guys.